New new game. New game banget. Gue sebenarnya punya save yang ini sih, save-savean yang eh start apa namanya di Horseshoe yang udah turun mereka, udah ke selatan. Sama kalau nggak salah janggutnya Arthur udah gue cukur. Tapi gue barusan banget selesai 100% completion. Dan gue kangen banget sama Arthur karena selama 100% completion itu gue sama sekali nggak replay lain-lain. So ya, sekarang gue mau ketemu Arthur lagi. Simpelnya itu sih sebenarnya. America was becoming a land of lost. Itu gak sih, gue suka teori yang kalau Red Dead 2 itu cerita dari Jack. Itu cuma cerita, maksudnya teori doang, tapi kayak bagus aja gitu. Even the West had mostly been tamed. Kayak horror game ya. A few gangs still roamed, but they were being hunted down and destroyed. Destroyed, let's go. Rockstar Games present. Present? Present? How do you say that? Red Dead Redemption 2, let's go. Ini berarti playthrough kelima gue yang beneran ya. Gue pengen beneran main karena gue tuh sering, apalagi kalau udah di epilog itu sering start new game karena pengen ketemu Arthur aja gitu, tapi nggak gue selesain. Ini yang bener-bener mau gue selesain, jadi ini yang kelima. Aaron Garbut, how do you say that name? Garbut. Oh, Davy masih hidup.
Abigail
Dutch, gue
says he's
kangen Dutch
dying,
juga. Oh
Dutch.
my
We'll
god.
have to stop someplace.
Selama di
Okay.
epilog tuh kita cuma
Arthur's
ketemu
out
Dutch
looking.
sekali
I
doang
sent him
kan.
up ahead.
Itu pun cuma berapa menit doang.
If we don't stop soon, we'll all be
Hosea,
dying. This weather, it's
Hosea
May.
pun.
I'm just hoping the law got as lost as we did.
There. Arthur. Any
Arthur.
luck?
I miss you so much, Arthur.
Let Davy
Sumpah lu.
buddy. You
Lu
know,
nggak paham betapa gue kangennya
no
Arthur.
man in town. Abandoned. It ain't far. Come on. Come on. Yeah.
So ya, gue punya savean yang udah di chapter 2, tapi ya janganlah kayak nggak autentik aja gitu kalau mulainya dari chapter 2. Terus gue punya janji gitu loh waktu itu tuh, kayak bersabda nggak tuh, janji kalau nggak bakal start new game sebelum game yang gue mainin kemarin itu 100% completionnya ya kan. Lama banget tuh gue nggak ketemu Arthur kan, paling ngelihat Arthur atau main jadi Arthur tuh yang pas Gambler Challenge 9 apa 10 gitu, 10 Gambler Challenge 10 yang poker, karena kan kita bisa replay mission.
Bring him in here.
Itu aja gue pengen nangis anjir, ketemu Arthur lagi tuh kayak, oh Arthur lagi gitu. And it's such a, suatu hal yang wah aja gitu, gue menyelesaikan Gambler 10 dengan Arthur jatuhnya ya kan. Keren aja gitu. But yeah, here it
Miss
is.
Gaskell, get that fire
Gue
lit
lupa nggak
quick.
nurunin resolusi, semoga
Miss Jones,
komputer
bring
abang
in
gue
whatever
mana-mana
blankets
aja.
we have. Mr. Pearson, see what we've got in terms of food.
Davy's dead.
Ya innalillahi wa inna
There was
rajiun.
nothing more you could have done.
What are we gonna do? We need supplies.
Well, first of all, you're gonna stay here, and you are gonna get yourself warm.
Dutch, Hosea, Arthur,
John and Mike scouting out ahead.
tiga yang paling gue
Arthur and
sayang.
We're gonna ride out, see if we can find one of them.
And this.
Just for a short bit.
Oh my god,
I
gue
don't see
sayang
what
banget
other
sama
choice we
tiga ini,
have.
sumpah. Cinta banget, tau gak sih?
Listen. Listen to me, all of you, for a moment.
Yes, Dutch.
Now, we've had, well, a bad couple of days. I loved Davy, Jenny, Sean, Mac. They may be okay. We don't know. But we lost some folks. Now, if I could throw myself in the ground in their stead, I'd do it gladly. But
But
We are gonna ride out, and we are gonna find some food. Everybody, we're safe now. There ain't nobody following us through a storm like this one. And by the time they get here, well, we're gonna be long gone. We've been through worse than this before. Mr. Pearson, Miss Grimshaw, I need you to turn this place into a camp. We may be here for a few days. Now, all of you, get yourselves warm. Stay strong.
stay with me.
We ain't done yet.
Anjay.
Come on, Arthur.
Ayo sayang.
We've got some work to do.
Oh my god,
We ain't
Dutch, I
running
miss
into
you
them
so
yet.
much. Nggak,
So,
gue lebih kangen sama
We
Arthur
both must
sih.
have headed
Cuma
down the
kayak
hill.
Sure. Hey, I ain't had time to ask. What really went down back there on that boat?
satu hal yang gak tau kenapa
miss
lucu
you.
buat gue adalah
That's what happened.
betapa
Come
seringnya
on.
mereka nyebut boat di chapter 1.
Hey,
Kayak kita nggak tahu
you
apa-apa
horses?
gitu
Oh,
loh.
yeah.
Terus
Hey,
mereka
Mr.
kayak
Smith.
boat
Get
buat
yourself
apa sih
indoors.
boat gitu
Yeah,
ya.
rest that hand.
Lucu aja gitu.
I'll live.
Get indoors, son.
Taima. Taima.
We need you strong.
Terima kasih Charles, aku minjem.
Okay.
Taima. Yeay. Ayo,
Come
udah
on,
bisa donat
let's
belum?
go.
Donat.
Ain't sure what we're gonna
Donat,
find
donat,
out here,
donat.
Dutch.
We
Iya,
have
oke.
to try. Stay close and we'll do our
I did
best
the
to stick
donut
to the trail.
with Taima.
This goddamn weather.
Been 2 days or
Pelan-pelan
more
dong, aku
like
pengen
this now.
denger dialog
Oh,
mereka.
it has to blow over soon.
Dutch, pelan-pelanin Dutch. Aku pengen ngobrol sama kamu Dutch. Dutch, aku kangen sama kamu Dutch. Kamu tuh pernah nggak sih kepikiran gitu kayak yang tap. Nah dah, berhenti. Oke. Aku pernah nggak sih kepikiran kayak yang lain tuh kangen sama kamu Dutch? Nggak sih, sebenarnya nggak. Kayak nggak ada yang kangen juga sih, gua doang sekarang. Cuma ya nah.
Careful over this bridge here.
Nyet, berhenti. Oke. Dutch. Aku mau ngobrol dulu, Dutch, ngobrol. Ini ke-trigger ngobrolnya kapan ya?
Hey, move up alongside me. Can't see you back there.
Can't believe we lost Davy too.
He is the last one, Arthur. No more. We need to get those people warm and fed.
At least we don't need to worry about Pinkertons tailing us in this.
A couple more days, we'll be on the other side. You
Hopefully.
need to help me pick the others back up.
Oke.
You're the only one I can rely on to stay strong right now.
We got fire and shelter. That's a start.
Yes, bentar. What was money? Was it a trap? Yang BBB.
So, do you think it was a trap in Blackwater?
That many men? Oh, they knew we were coming.
Ya menurut tuh siapa
But there
coba?
was money on that boat, all right. Lots of it.
Ya,
I
terus
stashed what we took with all our money in town just before we fled.
in town. Jadi beneran di Blackwater ya? Can I ask the other question? Ya, mereka selalu ngomongnya gitu sih, in town gitu kan. Ya udah ya, cuma itu doang kayaknya. Dutch, kamu udah nggak mau ngobrol sama aku? Ya udah deh. Oke, that was the dialogue. Karena di playthrough gue
I think
sebelumnya,
I see something up the path.
gue ke ini, I miss the dialogue, jadi I just wanna hear it, okay?
You up ahead. Who's there? Micah.
Gentlemen,
Oh my god,
Found anything?
satu hal yang langsung muncul di
I
otak
think
gue tau
so.
gak sih, Skibby Board.
found a little
I'm sorry,
homestead down that
I'm
way.
sorry.
Okay. Anyone home?
Aku berdosa ya Allah,
Place is
astagfirullahaladzim.
blazing with light and noise. Sounded like a party.
Let's go see.
Follow me. How's Davy doing?
Satu hal yang gue,
Nor did
apa yang
little
menurut gue
Jenny.
menarik itu ini
That's
sih.
too bad. Davy was a real fighter.
Davy was a
Both of
real
them Calendar
fighter,
boys is,
or was.
Yeah.
Terus juga tadi tuh Dutch ngomong Jenny kan, tapi kayak Micah sama sekali nggak nyebut Jenny.
quite
Itu
a
kayak
business.
detail yang oke sih maksudnya menurut gue. ya
I'm
lu
glad
nggak akan
you're
sadar
all right,
kalau
Micah.
lu nggak main untuk at least kedua
Ask him
kalinya.
if he's seen John.
Hey, have you seen John, Micah?
Didn't see much of anything once this storm came in.
He hasn't seen him.
Yeah, I heard
be
him. I heard
fine.
him.
Things always turn out right for that boy.
I hope
You think so,
Mac
Ethan?
and Sean are still out there somewhere too. Hey, Arthur, let me take the rear. You move up.
Hai, Captain. Tapi enggak sih, nggak mau. Oh, gak banget gua ngomong ke Maika. Dutch, aku mau samping kamu aja.
Passing you.
Go on.
Ayo, kok nggak jalan ya? I'm tapping A. Oke. You know what? Jalan. Ayo jalan, cepetan jalan. Lama. Nabrak nih. Bam.
Look out!
Lagi. Bam.
Ride, damn it!
Oh, I can ride Dutch at least. Bam. 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 Oke, maaf.
Okay, let's
Oh.
keep it down now,
Di
gentlemen.
sini.
It's just up ahead.
Oke.
Oh. Okay.
What do you think, Dutch?
Let's head down there.
Oke. Health is displayed in the lower left corner. Oh iya, ini satu hal yang self reward juga. Gue tuh di playthrough sebelumnya 100% itu nggak pakai auto aim, jadi free aim, tapi gue pakai controller. And it was something suatu pengalaman ya, Wak. Tapi sudah tidak lagi, saya sudah capek free aim. So I'm just gonna go with aim assist. Tapi kayaknya aim assist gue tadi kayak sempet ketinggian deh settingnya. Bentar, agak gue rendahin dulu. Ini aja, nolin aja, normal, narrow aja. Narrow. Ya boleh. Oke, let's go.
Let me handle this. We don't want to spook these fine people.
Can you handle me though, Dutch? Can you spook me? Aduh, jangan.
Someone's
Nggak
having
boleh,
fun
nggak boleh.
in there.
You two, get yourself
You know
out
what,
of sight.
Micah? Me
One
and Dutch,
lonely
we're gonna
man is a
have
lot
some
less
fun later.
intimidating than three nasty-looking
Fuck you.
degenerates. Arthur, in that cattle shed on the left.
Tapi aku maunya
Micah,
sama
get
kamu,
down
Dutch.
behind that wagon in front.
Gandengan. Gandeng. Maaf. Yaudah. Dia nungguin.
Arthur,
OTW. Sabar kenapa sih? Pik,
hello?
pip. Mip,
Excuse me.
nip.
Hello? Oh, well, hello, friend.
What you want?
What
I
you
am
want?
very sorry to disturb you. My friends and I
Dia ada
got
sayuran,
into
cuy.
some
Kenapa nggak kita
trouble
ambil
on
ini
the
aja?
way. Lost in the storm.
Lumayan buat sup. Tuh, banyak tau.
Gentlemen.
Yip.
We can't help
Weep,
you,
weep.
mister.
I got
Oh, ada yang dari belakang juga, cuy.
dying
Halo?
on the
Arthur,
trail.
we got a problem.
Oh, Jake.
Corpse right here.
Now I just
Arthur,
need some
There's a body
cans of food.
in the wagon.
Oh, Jake.
Just
Gentlemen,
keep your eyes on Dutch.
please.
Bentar.
Think you should go
Nyoba
now, buddy.
aim assist-nya. Oke, aim assist-nya lumayan.
Now, friend,
Oke, lumayan
I ain't
lah.
asking for much. Please, I am.
I'm gonna
I'm
shoot this one duluan
I
mungkin.
don't believe it. Come here, partner.
You know what? Enggak. I'm sorry. Kayaknya normal ini salah. Ya gini. Oke. Capek tahu free aim mulu. Nah, ini enak. Oke.
These goddamn Dutch vandalism!
Ah, mampus. Oh, it's not an ambush, oke? Kalian lebay. Aduh, suaranya kenceng banget. Suaranya kenceng banget. Audionya kenceng banget. Arthur, reloadnya cepetan. Oke. Mana? Ah. Thank you, Dutch.
Damn O'Driscoll boys here!
Audionya kenceng banget. Kok bisa sih dialognya, skornya kenceng banget tadi? Ya gini deh. Tapi kayak kekecilan gak sih? Ya udahlah. Gua tau lah udah.
Why? I don't know. Maybe same reason as us.
Micah,
Oh,
go bring the
Jake.
horses closer to the house.
Jake.
Arthur, let's go search the
BTW
cabin.
udah bisa ini di chapter 1 belum ya? Ya belum bisa. Itu loh, pencet LB 2 kali.
Smells like a party in here.
Looting.
Grab as many supplies
It's
as you
looting
can.
time.
We need the essentials.
Looting
Food,
time.
medicine, whiskey.
Whiskey. Ya.
Starving.
You should eat something now. Get your strength up for the ride back.
Apakah itu doang? Dari sini aja nggak sih? Op. Yeay. Loot. Assorted biscuits.
O'Driscoll's. I don't believe it.
Big
Blood.
old pool of blood on the floor here.
I saw.
Probably the poor bastard who lived here. Micah found a dead body in the wagon outside. It's a strange one, all right. Maybe they're hiding up here too.
Udah
There's a
saja
big
ada
price
ini loh.
on
That's salted
Colm
meat lo nggak mau
O'Driscoll's
ambil
head.
sih, gimana sih?
Nearly as big as the one on yours.
Wanting Colm dead is about the only thing me and Uncle Sam
Photograph?
agree on.
Photograph.
Huh. Looks like the poor bastard was married too.
Oh,
At some
Sadie.
point.
If we can't eat it or drink it, put
Aw.
it down.
Iya, maaf Dutch. Maaf ya sayang, kamu marah mulu. Oh, belum bisa looting sini, oke. Nunggu
Place
Dutch
is
pergi dulu.
dry and warm. We could maybe move the women and Jack down here.
Sumpah ya, padahal bisa jadi
We'll
tempat
see
yang
how they
enak
are
banget,
when we
sumpah.
get back. I don't really want us to split up. Keep searching while I pack these on the horses.
Oke, Dutch. I'm gonna go upstairs. Just wanna rock you. Just wanna rock you.
Grab
Classic
anything you think we can
hotcakes.
use, then meet me out here.
Revolver cartridge. Ntar dulu, belum selesai. Ini sebelah sini belum nih. Dutch ngambil yang di atasnya doang, agak dibukain coba. Tolol kan. $1,8 itu doang. Oke. Jewelry. Hell yeah. Premium cigarettes. Hell yeah. Gems of beauty. Kayaknya itu doang deh, ya nggak sih? Sini udah nggak ada. Soalnya nggak bisa pakai eagle eyes sih. Ini classic oatcakes, let's go. Untuk kudaku tercinta.
Micah, Arthur, keep looking for stuff.
Oke.
Arthur,
Kamu
go see if there's anything in that barn.
tanpa ini
Micah,
topi
you search
lucu
the
banget,
cabin,
Dutch.
see what we missed.
Love you, Dutch. Love you. Yeah. Let's go to the barn. Let's go anyway. Ini kayaknya gue kalau nggak tahu apa yang terjadi di sini kaget beneran sih.
Bastard shot my cousin. Well, he started.
Sini lu. Sini. Ah, nggak bisa grapple.
This guy just jumped me.
1, 2, 3.
Sneaky little bastard. Should I kill him?
No, Not yet. Find out what they're doing here and where Colm is.
Oh, this son of a bitch will talk. Where's Colm O'Driscoll?
I'm sorry, I keep looking at Dutch. Tapi bisa kayak gini
If
aja
the
nggak?
others
Dutchnya nggak
at an
kelihatan.
old mining camp southwest
Tuh,
of here,
Dutchnya nggak kelihatan.
near the
Ya.
lake.
What are you bastards doing? Why are you up here?
We're fixing to rob some train. Gonna blow the tracks. I don't
Kamu
know
ada
more than that,
cincinnya?
I
Aku baru
swear.
nggak. What? Yo. Beda sih, tapi kan kayak ini ya. Kayak punyanya Dutch. Enggak. Oh, dia lagi pakai ini, nggak kelihatan. Oke.
Well, I would say it looks like you have this, Arthur. Do what you want with him. I don't care. But bring that horse when you're done. Oh,
What the fuck was that?
I don't know anything else.
Kudanya takut.
Please. Please.
Mampus lu. Tapi harusnya masih hidup kan ya? Harusnya masih hidup sih. Oke. Hat. Kuda, nyawamu tidak akan lama kuda. I'm sorry, tapi sebenarnya lucu kudanya, cuma statnya rendah banget.
Easy. You're okay.
Pet 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 pet.
You're alright, boy.
You alright. Oh, aku kangen denger itu. You alright, boy. Kelamaan itu loh denger kayak none of that. Hey, Messi gitu-gitu. Good job, fella. Gitu. Hi, fella. Tuh. Oke, gitu-gitulah.
that bastard still in there?
He's dealt with.
Good. That looks like a decent horse. You should keep him. You need
I
to
ain't got
He's
that much.
already
I ain't
skittish.
got that much choice. Dan akan saya simpan kudanya tentu saja. Hitch. Plup. I don't wanna hear anything that Micah said. Jadi mari kita langsung lanjut aja.
I found in the cellar. Wild thing ate ya.
Leave her alone.
I wasn't doing nothing. She's one of them O'Driscolls.
No, she ain't, Michael. Look at her. Miss. Are you...
Ya, tolol emang.
Oh, you fool.
Tolol.
Miss. Now, it is going to be okay. We mean you no harm.
Look at that.
Miss.
Dutch.
Come on. It'll be okay. We need to get out of here, and quick. Come on now.
Tolol banget Micah ya, sumpah. Kayak gini Dutch masih sayang sama Micah coba.
You okay, miss?
They came
Tolol juga
3
Dutch.
days ago. And my husband,
Oh, Sadie.
Miss, you are safe now. And you can't stay here.
Clearly.
You come with us. Arthur.
Miss, it's okay. We're bad men. We ain't them.
We're bad
It's
men,
okay.
but we ain't them. That's a
Get
good one.
on. We'll keep you safe until you figure out what you want to do.
What's your name, miss? Miss.
Adler,
Adler.
Adler.
Sadie Adler, Mrs. He was my husband.
Da-da-da. Oke. Da-da.
Hey! Somebody's coming! Looks like it's Dutch. Hey, everybody, Dutch is back! How'd you get on?
Micah found a homestead, but he weren't the first. Colm O'Driscoll and his scum, they beat us to it. We found some of them there, but there is more about, apparently. Scouting the train. Thank you.
That's the last thing we need right now, Dutch.
Kalian tau gak
Well, it
sih,
is what it
gue ada
is.
di scene ini ya
So we
kayak.
found some supplies, some
Sebenarnya gue
blankets,
ada di
a
sini.
little bit of food, and this poor soul, Mrs. Adler, Miss Tilly,
Aw.
Miss Karen, would you warm her
That's
up? Give her a drink or
that's I wanna
something.
Oke, jangan.
And Mrs.
Baru
Adler,
chapter 1 ya, baru
It's
chapter
gonna be
1.
okay. You're safe
Nih, nih.
now.
Gue di sini
They
ya, nih
turned
gue
her
itu
into a
gue
widow.
ya.
Animals.
Ya,
I need some rest. I haven't
Molly
slept in
siapa
3
itu? Itu
days.
gue, bukan Molly.
You're over here. Miss O'Shea will show
Oke,
you the way.
itu gue tuh
Mr.
gandeng
Morgan,
that's tuh.
we put you in a
Itu
room
gue
over here.
itu, bukan Molly. Siapa
Thank you,
Molly?
Miss
Kagak ada
Grimshaw.
Molly di sini.
Mr. Bell, you're with the fellas over there.
What? How come Arthur gets a room and I get a bunk bed next to Bill Williamson and a bunch
Masih
of
mending lu nggak tidur di
Get
sungai.
yourself to bed.
Oke. Oh, like ini autosave slot already contains nih yang 100%. Gue baru selesai 100% ya. Berarti ya, mari kita lanjut. Silau banget, astaga. Ini gue lampunya lagi mati, tiba-tiba putih. Enter, pursued by a memory.
He ain't been seen in days. Weather ain't let up.
He's strong, and he's smart.
Strong, at least. Hello, Arthur.
Hello, Abigail.
Arthur, how you doing?
Just fine, Abigail. And you?
I need you to... I'm sorry to ask, but
It's little John. He's got himself caught into a scrape
he
again.
ain't been seen in two
2 days.
Your John will be fine. I mean, he may be as dumb as rocks and as dull as rusted iron, but that ain't changing because he got caught in some
Gue baru
snowstorm.
nggak lagi
Let's go
belakang
take
ada
a
Sadie
look.
tadi. Sadie kayak,
Javier?
ini orang
Yes.
pada kenapa sih?
Javier, will you ride out with Arthur to take a look for John? You're the two best fit men we've got.
Now?
We're pretty worried about him.
I know. The situation
Oh,
were
Arthur.
reversed.
Gue kayak akan
Look for
terlalu
me.
sering ngomong oh Arthur deh.
Thank you.
This way. Last I know, John was headed up the river.
For all we know, he kept riding north and never looked back.
He wouldn't leave. Not like that.
Wouldn't be the first time.
Kira-kira gue bakal nyelesain ini berapa lama ya? 2 jam? 3 jam?
Hey, I see some
Sebenarnya
smoke.
kalau dikebut bisa 1
Come on,
jam
let's
sih,
take a
cuma
Let's hope it ain't more of O'Driscoll's boys.
ya.
Well, seems somebody left. Recently. And that way.
Sure, well, come on then.
There's some tracks leading to the river.
Inspect.
A few hours ago, most.
Few hours itu masih nyala gini di tengah
See,
badai.
they continue up that way.
Baru banget gak sih?
You think
Horse
it's John?
hell.
You tell me. These are horse tracks for sure, but could be anyone. Let's just see where they lead.
So, you were there, Javier. What really happened on that boat?
Boat,
Yeah, the money, it
lagi
seemed
lucu aja
fine.
gitu.
Then suddenly they
Aduh,
were
kenceng
everywhere.
banget anginnya.
Bounty hunters?
No, Pinkertons. It was crazy.
Oh my
Raining
god.
bullets.
Putih, tidak terlihat.
Take it slow. Big ravine here.
What the hell is a ravine? Javier, kamu udah berapa lama di Amerika? Aku tahu ravine.
Bad way. But it was a bad situation.
That ain't like him, though.
Is it so? Is it though? Was it though?
Tracks go left. Down here.
Come on.
Davey got shot. Mac and John, both shot too. Sean, we don't even know. I'm surprised we escaped at all. By the time you boys showed up from the other side of town, we were only just holding on.
Bad business, all right.
Whoa!
Damn snow's coming in hard again.
We'll lose these tracks if we don't move
Oh,
fast.
putih sekali. Mantap. Udah bisa, udah. Baru kayak udah bisa sinematik kamera belum. Kan sebenarnya tulisannya hold A while viewing cinematic camera to automatically. Itu kan. Padahal
Careful, it's
enggak
getting
tahu.
narrow here.
Yang penting kamu jalan, terus kamu masuk sinematik kamera itu otomatis jalan. Kecuali kalau lagi di mission yang harus ngikutin orang, itu harus di hold.
Yeah.
Kalau ngikutin jalan
Lot of
mah
fresh
udah nggak
snow
usah
here.
hold lagi, bisa
I
ditinggal.
don't know about this, Javier. We can't follow nothing.
Let's push on a little bit. Maybe we'll pick up the trail again.
Almost there, boy. Come on now.
Come on, boy.
Hey, look! Over there! You see that?
See what?
Get a move on, Arthur!
Iya bentar dulu nih OTW.
What are you doing? We got
Iya,
split. John was riding that horse
Maaf.
when we left Blackwater. Let's see if he can hear us.
let's go. Let's go. Yo.
Come on! Up there!
Can I get my guns up? Oh, I can. Bam, 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 bam.
It's coming from up ahead somewhere. I don't think we can go much further on the horses. We'll have to walk from here.
Oke.
Down this way.
Ya ini loh suka stuck gini. Nah, suka nggak bisa jalan gitu lah. Javier, you sure?
You sure about this?
It's coming from this way.
Okay.
Watch out here. Mierda, we're high up here.
You're telling me.
Oke. Sebuah pelajaran jangan sambil main HP. I'm sorry. Restart. Dari sini, oke.
You sure about this?
It's coming from this way.
Okay.
Careful here. Mierda, we're high up here.
You're telling me.
Stamina. Di sini memang kan harusnya itu ya.
Watch yourself.
Harusnya kan kita minum gitu biar nggak dapet cutscene-nya itu loh nanti sama Javier. Tapi kalau gua mah mending dapet cutscene nggak sih? Minta minum sama Javier gitu. Ngapain pakai punya kita sendiri kalau Javier mau ngasih.
Okay. Good now.
Watch your step. This is real slippery.
Nah di sini kan harusnya kita
close to
makan
the
kan,
wall.
tapi
Up here.
nggak mau.
Come on.
Minta sama Javier aja ntar.
Come on. That sounds closer now. Come on. We're coming, John.
Naik tur. Nah.
Damn, it's cold.
How you
Nih, mau minum Javier.
Been a tough few days.
I know. Here. Take a drink of
Thanks
that.
you.
Thanks. I'm not designed for this snow.
You're telling me.
Let's keep moving then. Come on. John, where are you?
John. Ini tuh kayak Sean
John,
kan?
can you hear me?
Sean. Gimana sih nadanya? Sean.
John, you there?
I'm here! Out on the ledge!
That's John. We're coming.
Fellas there!
Iya, hadir.
Over here!
All right. Hot down, Marston.
He's down here.
Ya. Oh my god, senang banget. Oh my god, gue senang banget
That's
tidak
quite a
harus
scratch you
main
got
sebagai John lagi. John,
thought
terima
I'd
kasih
say
sudah
this, but
bantu aku
good to see you, Arthur
100%-in sebelumnya. Tapi aku sudah muak bermain
You
sebagai
don't
kau.
look so good.
I don't feel too good neither. I'm freezing.
Don't die just yet, cowboy.
Come on, compadre.
Come on, compadre. How do you use the word compadre though? Compadre itu kayak literally artinya comrades
Well,
kan?
can't go back the way
I
we
mean,
came.
English don't really use
Try this
comrades
way.
anymore.
Ain't you a
Not in the
sorry
daily
sight?
life at least.
Can't argue with you there.
See? I told Dutch you
Gue
weren't
pernah
the
ya
right
iseng
man for
kayak ke
this.
kanan kiri gitu nggak jalan terus tiba-tiba nggak bisa jalan lagi.
All right.
Tiba-tiba kayak otomatis diarahin ke sana.
Hopefully this will lead us out.
Jahat gamenya, nggak boleh main-main. Avalanche. Apa tadi ya kan namanya Avalanche kan?
Look up there.
Ya.
Perfect. You head for the horses.
What the
I'll
fuck
keep
happened
John's
to
friends
John's
off till you're
hair?
clear.
Gue baru nyadar.
Okay,
Ew.
here we go.
Oke.
We'll leave them to Arthur.
Oke, I don't know how to handle this without getting hit. No. No, Arthur. Ah. Oke. No. Ih, kok nggak ini sih? Oke. Ini tuh Tennessee Walker kan ya? Oh, belum bisa horse. Ayo cepetan. Cepet-cepetan. Misi. Ayo cepet-cepetan. Cepetan, lama banget ini pada. Mentang-mentang sakit lu, John. Ayo.
Come
Gas.
on then. Let's get back to the others.
What if gue nggak pakai shotgun. Mari kita manfaatkan kuda kita yang berani ini.
You'll be fine. It's
Oh,
just
putih
like
banget cuy, nggak kelihatan
a
apa-apa.
dog bite.
Knew a fella. Got bit by a dog. Died.
A dog. That's
You
my
ain't gonna
dog.
die.
That's not my dog.
Not yet.
You know that one?
Yeah, okay, boy.
Yeah, okay, boy.
Up there. More of them.
Iya, muscle. Nggak perlu Arthur. What did you say? Ya, bentar dulu, enggak. Kalian duluan aja, kalian duluan. Aku mau
More
ini,
coming in
rempel.
on the left.
Bam. Lagi. Rempel. Bam. Dua-duanya coy.
There we go.
Dua
You
sekaligus.
see any more, Arthur?
Mampus.
Don't think so.
Iya.
Jesus.
You still with us, Marston?
Just about.
Gimana kalau
You're
gue
gonna be
tabrak?
okay. But idiot.
Maaf.
We have some shelter now.
Thanks for coming for me.
Of course. That bullet in Blackwater, now this. You had a hell of a time.
And Arthur always says,
I'm
I'm
lucky.
lucky.
None of us are lucky right now. Should ride in the water for a bit.
Okay.
Try to lose a scent.
All
Don't
right.
want to leave a trail right back to camp.
All
You
right.
know, we're gonna
Whatever
need to
you
come
say,
up with
boss.
a better story for that scar.
So, freezing, bleeding, starving, damn near getting eaten to death ain't good enough for you.
Here, let's cross to the left.
Yeah, come on. Let's push hard and get back.
Maaf, ini nggak
See
sengaja,
those
sumpah.
buildings up ahead, John? That's where we camped. Nearly there.
Aku kangen denger good boy dari Arthur.
Someone help John
Tapi
down
gue,
off this horse.
I'm dead serious. Kayak gue udah memutuskan bahwa Arthurku yang ini kudanya harus cewek, nggak boleh cowok. Mau dapet yang bagus banget tapi dia cowok, ya udah
We
kita
get
lepas.
some help. We need some help here.
Come on, help him down.
You're alive! You're alive!
Aku juga live, Abigail.
There we go.
Ya.
Ay, careful, idiotas! It's his leg.
Come on, let's get you warm. Thank you both. This is a new low, even by your standards.
Thank you, Arthur. Thank
You
you.
got any other lost maidens need saving?
Not today.
Not today.
You and Dutch talked about how we're gonna get out of this.
I was just discussing with Herr Strauss when the weather breaks. Suppose we'll have to keep heading east.
East into all that civilization.
I know. The west is where our problems are worse. Come on, Herr Strauss. Let's get warm.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan.
You're welcome, Herr Strauss.
We've been running for weeks. We found shelter and been resting here in some old abandoned mining town while we wait the thaw. Hardly the spring I had been hoping for.
Yay.
So what now, Dutch?
What now? We gonna make love, me and Dutch. Apa mau bertiga? Ayo. Mumpung tapi ada Molly ya di sini.
Well, we're safe here.
Ada Molly. Udah Molly disuruh ngerekam aja, ayo kita bertiga. Bukan sama Arthur, sama gue.
You sound doubtful.
Not doubtful, just
That's tau nggak, Dutch? I doubt you can
What do you
satisfice
think,
me.
Arthur?
Well, I wasn't
Prove
on
it
that
to me.
boat, so hard to say, but I trust your judgment, Dutch. Always have.
Thank you, son. We have been
Sama-sama.
shot at before, Jose. I don't feel that this is
Sumpah, gue nggak bisa
honestly
sih sama
anything
ini
new.
orang satu, gue nggak bisa.
I hope not.
Peluk dari
We had
belakang.
a bit of bad luck, but then the storm covered our tracks, so now we wait a bit and we go back to Blackwater and we get our money or we get some more money and we keep heading west.
Betul sekali,
Heading
betul.
east.
For now.
Betul. Baru for now, Hosea, for now. Santai, Hosea.
We got this.
No, we got
We're
this.
safe.
We got this, Hosea.
Stay strong, Hosea.
Cium. Makasih.
What about you, Arthur? You doubting me too?
Iya, kamu bisa tunjukin nggak? Biar aku nggak
Because you
doubting.
know me, son. I'm just getting started. Once we get some
But
money, well,
I am
they
about to finish. Don't
better
stop.
send
Don't
some
stop.
good
Don't
men
stop.
after us, 'cause they ain't never gonna find us. But we need money.
Of
I
course,
need your
Dutch.
dick though.
Thank you, son, for your strength. It means a lot to me.
Maaf ya, gue kayak kadang suka self insert gitu. Hosea,
Hosea.
Survived another night.
let's keep it that way.
How are you feeling?
I've been better.
We'll find a way off of here soon.
All right, Arthur.
Ya gue mau main misinya Pearson dulu sih. Soalnya gue biasanya build dulu terus supaya dapet ini kan, apa namanya, Deadeye. Tapi kalau pakai auto aim nggak perlu Deadeye, nggak apa-apa sih. Jadi mari kita main Pearson. Mr. Pearson.
We're gonna starve to death up here, Mr. Morgan.
And whose fault is that? Gara-gara kamu
We're
nggak bawa
okay.
makanan kan?
We have a few cans of food and a rabbit. For what, 10, 12 people? When I was in the Navy,
I do not wish to hear about what you got up to in the Navy, Mr. Pearson.
we were stranded at sea for 50 days.
And you unfortunately survived.
When we ran away from Blackwater, I wasn't able to get supplies in.
Well, when
Masa.
government agents are hunting you down, sometimes shopping trips need to be cut short. We'll survive. We always have. If needs be, we can eat you. You're the fattest.
True.
I
Real,
sent
real.
Lenny and Bill hunting, and they found nothing.
Well, Lenny's more into book learning than hunting. Bill's a fool. Unless those mountains are full of game that want to read, ain't no wonder they found
Enough
nothing.
of this. We'll go find something. Come on, Arthur. Wait a second. Hold on. Here. You're gonna need something to eat out there.
Assorted, salted offal. Starving would be preferable.
Come on, let's go.
You can't go hunting. Look at your hand.
I can't stay here listening to you two. Look, if there's game in those hills, I'll find it. And you can kill it.
You need to rest, Charles.
You think this is rest? Come along.
Did he just smoke?
Here, you take this.
Eh,
I can't use it, and you'll have to.
Oh, you're joking.
Use a gun,
Abo.
and we'll scare off every animal for miles around. You're never too old to learn.
I
imagine.
guess.
Come on, this way.
Makasih BTW taimanya kemarin. Cakep. Coba lihat bijinya, katanya kecil kalau lagi di tempat bersalju.
I'm okay.
Kemungkinan iya kecil bijinya.
Stupid mistake. Still bad? It'll be fine in a day or two. I just can't pull a bow right now.
Sure hope I can. Never really got the hang of it.
You'll be fine.
So, you reckon we're gonna find something to kill that ain't no Driscoll?
Huh. There's meat up here for sure. Pearson doesn't
tiba-tiba
know what he's
belok.
talking about. Now the
Gantian.
weather's eased off a bit, they'll be needing to feed. Careful. We'll head up this way.
Okay.
Find some higher ground.
Been a wild few days, all right. That ride north from Blackwater, getting stuck in the storm, bringing John back in.
You've had a lot put on you. I wish I could have done more.
I didn't mean it like that, just a lot to think back on.
I still don't really know what happened on that boat.
Me neither. Well, Javier told me a bit, but it sure weren't good.
Colter Mikola. Kol. Sayur kol. Makan daging anjing dengan sayur kol. Sayur kol. Makan daging anjing dengan sayur kol. Udah nggak terlalu badai ini, dilihat-lihat bisa kabur dong.
See some of the ground uncovered here. Oh, come on. Let's try this way.
Aku mau nabrak ini
Keep
nih.
your eyes peeled
Wush,
for movement.
Lagi. Wush,
The wind's died down too.
That's good.
No wind at all is bad, but if it's too strong, they won't move. Now shh. Stay quiet.
Whoa! Yeah!
Wush.
Stop here a second.
Stuck. Okay.
I
Sorry.
see something.
You do? Oh, asik itu.
There's deer been here recently.
Enggak, iya ada jejak
How can
sih,
you
tapi
tell?
kayak kok lu bisa tahu itu deer?
How can you not?
Ih, lu
Let's walk it
endus-endus
from
ya.
here.
Oke.
You're gonna need the bow. Don't leave it on your horse.
Ayai, kapten.
The gun will scare everything around.
Ini berarti
Keep down.
baunya punyanya
Move quietly
Charles dong.
and slowly.
Nggak butuh quietly and slowly. Ih, bukan biarin sih.
I think so.
Nah itu dia.
Maybe not. Focus.
Ya, tuh udah.
Down there. You see him?
Aduh,
Quick. Good
Nah.
shot.
ya
Now
dong,
spot another.
gue gitu loh. Yeay, arrow. Oh, nafas tur. Nafas. Oke. Kayak di sini deh. Ah, itu dia. Ngapain muter? Oke.
Well done.
Kamu ambil yang sana.
I think that's all we can carry.
Kamu ambil yang sana, aku ambil yang sini.
Okay, you pick up one, I'll get the other. You sure your hand's okay? It'll be fine once I get it on my shoulder. Okay, I'll go grab the other one.
Mandi dulu dong, mandi. Dibersihin dulu gak sih? Ya nggak bisa di drop. Nggak bisa di drop nih. Nggak seru. Siulannya Charles. Come on boy. Sini boy. Sini boy.
Not bad, boy.
Yeah, not
Ready to
bad
head
boy.
back when you are. Sure. I just need to finish up here.
What if? What if? Oh. Oops. Mari kita tidak melakukan what if lagi.
Come on then.
Oh, okay.
Let's head back.
Nice. Let's go. Animal carcasses
Nice
can
work,
be
Arthur.
dropped off
Should
to
be enough meat here
Pearson
to keep us all fed
at
for a few
itu
days.
pisau to
You
contribute to
found
gang
Hoped
supplies.
you'd use the bow, but you're a good shot.
Apaan?
It's
Gue pakai
easier
bow
when they
semua
ain't
tuh.
shooting back.
Ngaco lu.
We've seen enough of that.
Considering how things were looking a couple of days back, well, maybe our luck is finally on the turn.
Seems to me we should be putting our effort into getting off this mountain now.
Soon. People are still weak, and well, you've seen how snowed in those wagons are. They ain't going nowhere until we get some more thaw.
You're probably right. And even if we do get off here, what then? We'll still have a big price on our heads.
This is a big country.
We'll find somewhere to lie low.
Dutch and
Aku
Jose
suka
will
banget,
have a plan.
sumpah dari awal tuh cara Arthur ngomong lalo. We find something to
Notice how
lalo.
Pearson's had a bottle in his hand ever since we fled Blackwater? We give the camp cook 5 minutes to grab the essentials and go, and he doesn't even bring a crumb of food.
Good that we caught more than one. A lot of mouths to feed.
And that girl from the ranch now, too, but not sure she'll be eating much.
She has a wild look in her eye.
You would, too. She lost her husband, her home, everything she had.
Bisakah kita menghentikan Giant melakukan tindakan yang sangat meresahkan masyarakat ini?
We're back on our feet, we'll see. She might have family somewhere.
Iya lagi mirip Giant.
So it was
I'm
O'Driscoll's
sorry,
you ran
gue
into
baca
Yeah.
statusnya dosen gue.
What is it with the O'Driscolls?
You ain't dealt with them?
You ain't there
I
with them?
suppose. Hell, we ain't run into them much the last 6 months.
We ain't run into
I guess
them the
because
last
they've been
6
over
months.
this way.
Oh ya, sama satu hal yang gue
Nah,
suka banget di sini
I've heard a
perut
lot of talk
perut
about 'em.
rusanya.
Well,
Tuing tuing.
we've been scrapping over scores with them for
Perutnya
years.
lucu. Flap flap.
Big
Oops.
gang.
Sorry. Flap
Nasty
flap.
sons of bitches. Their leader, Combe, and Dutch go way back. And not in a good way. A proper blood feud.
Watch out.
Apa tuh?
Bear up ahead.
Oke.
Let's see if we can find another way around.
Nggak tahu, biar cepet aja. Sini.
What are you doing?
Hehe.
Shoot!
Oops. Mau your host gimana? Gimana cara itu? Hei, sini loh. Ya, Charles nggak dapet les. Nggak dapet les. Maaf ya, mohon maaf.
Boy,
Ya udah maaf, ini baru
that
mau
thing
naik.
was huge.
Are you crazy?
I guess.
You're lucky it's scared that easy. Come on, let's get back before it changes its mind.
Lucu tahu.
We ain't ever talked that much, you and me. How long you been with us now? 5, 6 months?
Oh my god, 6 months.
Something like that?
Bet you didn't
Charles
expect
di
this.
geng ini gua gimana sih?
Blackwater
Masih
mess.
lebih lama gua
Being up here.
mulai kerja daripada Charles di geng ini.
Sooner or later, a job's gonna go wrong. Nature of
Wow.
life.
I just thought you might have moved on by now.
You want me to move on?
No.
No.
No, not at all. I know you could run it alone, no problem.
I did that for a long time. I'm done with it. Always wondering if someone's gonna kill you in your sleep.
I still wonder that most nights.
Oh, I'm gonna attack
I
you
reckon
in
you're
your
okay.
sleep, Arthur, if you know what I
This
mean.
suits me. Sure, I could fall in with another gang, but Dutch. You know, Dutch is different.
Oh, yes.
Itu konotasinya positif
Dutch is
apa negatif
certainly
juga nggak tahu deh.
He treats me fair.
Oh ya, positif.
Most of you do. And for a fellow with a black father and an Indian mother, that ain't normally the case.
Well, we need you now. More than ever.
Good. And how long have you been with these boys? Why ain't you run off?
Me? Oh, 20 years, something like
20
that.
years.
Since I was a boy.
20 years?
Yeah. He taught me to read. John, too. Taught me a few other things.
I'm sure.
Dutch saved me. Saved most of us. That's why we need to stick by him through this. He always sees us right.
How's that new horse?
He's all right.
Eh,
He'll do
not
for
that
now.
good. Cantik sih,
Appreciate
tapi
you
not that
letting me
good.
take Taima the other
Iya,
night.
terima kasih.
She's
Terima
a
kasih
strong
Taima nih
one.
ada kecupan dari
It's
kudaku.
been as hard.
Mwah.
Oh,
Pause. Pause. Damn. Okay.
Watch it. It's been as hard on the horses as on the rest of us. I don't know what Dutch would do if something happened to the Count.
same with Bill and Brown Jack. He's a drunk, miserable bastard, but he loves that horse.
I hope they all make it.
I tried to ride the Count once. Bucked me faster than a bull. Won't take nobody but him.
Yeah. Just
I'm
like
gonna
me
hit
for
Stein
real.
over
Just
here.
like me for real. For real, for real.
Brought some food back, boys.
Food.
Come on, let's
Foot.
get these over to Pearson.
Foot.
Thank you for
Nani.
showing me how to use the bow properly.
I only showed you a little.
Well. What a surprise. Find a camp rat loitering around in the kitchen.
Is that any way to greet an old friend?
Yes.
I feel like we haven't spoken for days.
I do my utmost to avoid you.
He loves me, really. It's his sad way of showing affection.
No, it isn't. Now shoot, get lost.
Well, see you gents later.
Dia tuh bajunya
You got
sama loh,
on
Uncle.
just
Cuma pakai
fine.
luaran doang,
Charles
gila.
is a wonder. Have a drink, boys. You earned it. Jesus, what is that? Navy rum, sir. It's the only thing. The only thing. Keeps you sane, it does.
Yes. Seems to have done a treat on you. You go rest that hand, Charles.
I'll be fine in a few days.
You mind helping me with the skinning, Mr. Morgan? It's easier if we do it together.
Do I get to skin you?
You're always one with the jokes, aren't you? Come on.
This really isn't a job for a man with a burnt hand. I'll see you both later.
You skinned that one that you dumped on the floor there.
Yeah, skinning. Skin. Chop. Step. Shoes. Buka serut. Okay. Chit. Yeah.
Not too bad, Mr. Morgan. Yeah. They always said you were a butcher. You know, you could trade these or sell these in pretty much any town. If you're looking to make a legitimate bit of money, of course.
Right now, I'm just looking to get off this mountain alive.
Well, if you catch anything else, you bring it to me.
Sure.
Thank you, Mr. Morgan. Heck, Arthur Morgan's first decent bit of hunting after all these years.
Yeah. Well, we're on the run now. Everyone's got to do their bit to survive. Just make a good stew. Folk need it. It's been a tough few days.
Monster Hunter 1. Yeah. I'm gonna take a look around dulu. Siapa tahu ada sesuatu, I don't know. Ini kan daerahnya Dad sama Hosea, sama aku juga.
When you get a chance, send someone down the track back to that farmhouse.
Okay. Why?
That poor woman's husband needs burying.
Of course. And is it safe down there?
Oh.
Just send someone sensible.
Understood.
All right.
He was making that noise last night too. Tahu nggak Hosea?
Hosea,
Hey,
Hey.
how are you doing?
I think you know the answer to that.
Aw.
We'll be okay.
Okay, Arthur.
Dutch.
Hey, Dutch.
Hi, Arthur.
How are you holding up?
Well, times have been better, that's for sure.
Gonna be all right.
Thank you, Arthur.
I like this POV. Jangan. Molly.
Molly,
Hello, Arthur.
how are you doing?
Oh, I feel like I'm getting a bad dose of it.
We'll be okay.
Just gonna try and stay warm.
Lebay kamu. Molly, tau gak sih kalau gue jadi lu ya Molly. Kan ini dingin banget nih Molly. Lu ke Dutch nih, Dutch, kamu mau aku angetin nggak gitu? Lu tuh mikir dikit, kenapa sih jadi ceweknya Dutch tuh? Nih cowok lagi kayak gitu, lu diemin aja, buset dah. Kalau gue jangan.
Okay there?
Sorry. Oke. Silau. I guess gue paham sih ada beberapa encounter yang bisa gue miss gitu ya, tapi tidak terlalu tertarik.
Hey, alert there, Javier.
Hello.
How are you holding up?
Look at us. What kind of question is that?
Ya elah, lu gak bisa diajak ngobrol.
Up with you boys because I thought you liked action. Couple of days on the lam, and you lot have all turned yellow. Apart from you, of course.
Shut up, Micah.
I ain't never seen so many long faces. I guess folks miss them. That fell. But when I fall, I don't want no fuss.
When you fall,
There'll be a party.
Party. Probably. Funny, huh? Sure. I don't feel like being laughed at by the likes of you two.
Stop it! Now! You fools punching each other when Colm O'Driscoll's needing punching. Hard! You want to sit around waiting for him to come find us? All of you, we got work to do. Come on.
Are you sure about this, Dutch?
Yes.
Folks been through a lot recently. We hardly back on our feet yet.
The last thing we need is to get bushwhacked by Colm O'Driscoll. Let's go.
I know you hate him, Dutch.
He's here for us.
I doubt that.
No,
you're
you
just
just doubted
doubting
me.
me.
I would never doubt
you,
you, Dutch.
you.
You always said
Revenge
revenge is a luxury we can't afford.
This is the right call.
Itu tahu tadi ada satu detail lagi
Take this.
di belakang tuh ada
This is
Lenny.
about more
Terus
than
habis itu
revenge
nanti
for
di akhir-akhir
business.
tuh Dutch
Long
bakal
ago,
ngomong kayak Lenny tuh yang
they
selalu yang
were
nomor satu
talking
naik
about
kuda.
trains,
I like that one.
detonators. Here, Colm always had good information. Come on.
And you think now is the right time to hit a train?
Now you might fancy living on deer piss and rabbit shit. I'm getting too old for that life. Mr. Matthews, Mr. Smith, Mr. Pearson, would you please look after the place? There are O'Driscolls about. Yeah!
Yeah, indeed.
Southwest, right, Arthur?
Yeah. He said follow the main trail southwest. They're camped near some lake.
Iya, level 2.
Okay.
Bisa gini,
let's
Dutch,
go
lihat
find
deh,
these
Dutch, lihat
bastards
Dutch.
before they find us
Ya nggak bisa,
and
ya udah
rob
maaf.
this
Lagi
poor
tengah-tengah
damn
misi.
planet.
Coming past.
Okay.
Buset, oke-nya ngegas banget. Oke. Dutch, mau ngobrol. Kalau aku tinggal
What's that?
kudaku terus aku
Tracks.
boncengan kamu aja
Horses,
boleh nggak,
quite a
Dutch?
few of 'em. As far as I can tell, the only fools out here are us and them. They must be this way.
You good, Dutch?
Clearly not,
Of
Arthur.
course. Listen, I know you don't think much of my idea. Watch it. I know
Lagi,
you
lagi,
don't
lagi.
think much of my ideas
Ya, udah enggak.
recently, but this is the right move.
Lagi.
Okay.
Ya, nggak juga. Oh itu, telat banget.
I learned a long time ago that you
Lagi.
hit Como Driscoll.
Hehe.
Wait for him.
Lagi.
People you love. Careful. And people you
what?
People you love will die. And people you love will Hey! And people you love will die.
Okay.
This feud between you and him needs to be put to rest, one way or another.
One way or another, I'm gonna find
Some
ya.
things I can forgive, others I can't forget. What he did to Hannibal.
I bet you can't forget this big ass.
See that smoke?
Jangan deh.
Let's cut up here and take a look. They said it was near the lake, so we must be close. Hold up here.
Okay. Dutch.
What are you doing?
Kan kamu
All
suruh
right,
berhenti.
gentlemen. This is it.
Prok.
Are we goddamn ready?
Yes.
Ready, Dutch.
I'm
Good.
ready. Take off your clothes.
Now, Mr. Morgan and I, we're gonna head up here a little, see if we can't get a sense of the layout of the camp. Mr. Williamson.
Ya,
Mr.
ya
Bell,
nggak bisa
you two
deket
take up a hidden
lagi.
position just outside the camp. Mr. Summers, Mr. Escuela, you two hold position here. Let's go.
That's kuda kita ciuman.
What are you doing?
Oh, oke. Ya, marah dia, ngambek dia. Ya, ngambek.
Let's go.
Oke. Daci. Kieran. Udah lama nggak lihat Kieran.
There they are. That's definitely them.
Home?
I think so.
Yeah, that's him.
Oke. Damai Ungger, oke.
Who's he talking to? He don't seem very happy.
No.
They leaving?
Seem to be. Should we go get them?
No. Colin can wait. Best to get some of them out of there.
Ini Kieran, look at
And
Kieran
much
sama
less fun to
Branwen,
rob
lucu
him
banget.
and his score if he never finds out about
Berarti
it.
Branwen tuh
Come on,
ini
let's
kan
get
Dutch
down there.
Warblood kan, ya nggak sih? Dari warnanya itu. Aku nggak tahu sih, lupa. Ada di Tumbleweed sih di epilog kalau nggak salah, ya nggak sih?
Don't forget to grab that rifle from your horse.
Oke. Gue tuh kepikiran guys, gimana kalau kita biar lebih cepet aja gitu.
You two,
Kita
get
mulai
up there and
tembak-tembakannya
keep us
dari
covered.
atas ini gitu. Siapa tahu
Sure
bisa.
thing.
Siapa tahu bisa, tapi kita harus bertindak cepat. Harus bertindak cepat.
Good. Come on, let's go. We'll circle around the far side and go down that way, same as Micah and Bill.
Oke.
Like you said, revenge is a luxury we can't afford.
Yeah, just wasn't sure you agreed with me.
Arthur, have you completely lost faith in me? Our needs right now
Fat
are supplies,
mulu sih lu.
equipment, and a way out of here.
Gandengan.
Everything else,
Gandengan.
including Colin,
Ih.
can wait.
Okay.
There's enough of those bastards down there to deal with as it
Belum
is.
bisa nembak,
Now,
bentar.
come on.
Oke, kemungkinan sekarang udah bisa. Belum bisa juga, oke. Gimana caranya? Oke, udah bisa nih. Siap ya, bismillah ya, 1, 2, 3.
What the hell
Oke, gila tuh, dapat dari atas cuy. Gila nggak sih lu? Turun, ya. Ada lagi nggak? Ada lagi nggak? Nih. Aduh, nggak dapet. Ini nih. Oke, turun. Bukan turun dari situ, turunnya dari sini. Ini. Nah, aduh. Tur, jangan muter-muter mulu. I'm trying. Oke. Di mana? Ini. Oh, itu teman kita. Nggak ada yang mati kan? Nggak. Nggak kena cuy. Turun tur. Ya, cuy. Mana? Is it tuh? Gila. Headshot dari sejauh itu cuy. Ayo. Mana cuy? Aduh, tur. Kok nggak kena sih? Nah, gitu dong. Oh, ada di sini. Arthur. Topiku hilang. Udah semua. Looting. Let's go looting.
Doesn't give a damn about his men.
Do you give a damn about me, Dutch? Dutch, minimal kamu bantu, jangan berdiri doang di situ, bisa nggak sih?
I imagine Colm doesn't even know half the names of these fools.
Waktu itu gue pernah nyoba BTW buat dapet revolvernya Micah dan berguna. Berhasil kok berguna sih. Mana dia? Oh, itu. Mampus. Mana lagi? Oh iya, ada dead eye di sini tapi nggak butuh. Kita tidak butuh dead eye. Advance. Let's go.
Let's get into that forest and clear them out. I'm getting that straight back.
Bisa nggak sih Micah? Itu doang nggak bisa. Lah ya udah nih tuh. Mampus. Mantap. Ada kuda. Mana lagi? Kuda. Kuda. Ya kabur deh, udahlah. Entahlah apakah gue pengen ngambil semuanya seadanya aja lah. Itu Driscoll. Tur. Itu ada satu tur. Ya Allah. Sini loh. Sini dulu. Jangan kemana-mana dulu. Sini. Kok cepet banget sih dia larinya? Udahlah. Kamu kayak John. Kayaknya emang rambutnya John gak sih? Tadi dulu tanggung ini teh. Kan sambil OTW situ Dutch. Dah. Iya, nih satu lagi terakhir. Oh, nggak bisa, ya udah nggak usah. Dah. halo. Mwah.
Good work, boys. Now, let's tear this place apart.
Ya.
Bill,
Ih.
go search that wagon there. Mike, search that building. Arthur, you take that building to the left.
Me?
All right, man, quick. Find those detonators, explosives, anything you can. Let's go.
Terus kamu ngapain Dutch? Nungguin doang? Emang bener-bener deh.
What do we got here?
Their plans. Plans. I got some plans for Dutch later.
Here. This looks good. What do you think, Bill?
Looks fine. Smells good.
Come on.
Did we get everything?
Think so, boss? Found this on one of them.
Thank you.
This is perfect.
Oh, yeah? Interesting. This is something about the train they was gonna rob. A Mr. Leviticus Cornwall. Mount back up.
Mr.
Let's keep moving.
Leviticus Cornwall.
All right.
Butuh topi nggak ya?
Let's get outta here.
Pakai aja lah ya. Oh, nggak ada topinya. Ya udah, lupa.
Boys, all of you.
Dutch, aku mau sama Dutch. Awas, minggir.
Down.
Dutch.
Good work, fellas.
Not bad for some starving down and outs. They can pummel us hard as they like, but we will always get back up and fight. That's who we are. Outlaws for life, fellas. Wait until we have John, Mac, Charles, and Sean back riding with us, and I believe, I know, they will all be back.
Well, you didn't get Combe, but this hit'll hurt him a lot more than any bullet in the head.
Especially when we rob this train, too.
Yeah, I guess we'll see about that.
Oh, indeed we will.
You know, he'll come after us.
Oh, of course he will, just like all the rest. But we're gonna stay a step ahead of them. Make sure we always know where they are before they know where we are. We allowed ourselves to get a step behind in Blackwater. That won't happen again.
You think so?
All right, dig in, fellas. Let's make some ground.
Dutch. Kamu nggak mau ngobrol, Dutch?
Hey, you see that fella? Wasn't he at the camp?
Say less.
We call him. Hey, all right, we're heading back. Just bring him back
Maaf,
alive.
Brenwen.
He could be useful.
Don't hurt me!
I ain't gonna hurt you, boy. Ya, Brenwen mati. Maaf ya. Nanti hidup lagi kok. I'm not gonna loot you. I'm not gonna loot you. Angkat. Ya, Brenwen. Nih, kamu lihat ini deh.
You got it.
Tuh lihat kudamu tuh ngangguk-ngangguk, dia setuju. Oh gitu. Oke.
Comfortable enough for you?
Mari. Lewat sini kan? Deketan sini nggak sih? Enggak, Deng. Maaf aku so tahu.
You don't know your name?
It's Kieran.
Kieran what?
Duffy. Kieran Duffy.
Well, I ain't gonna lie to you. This is a real bad day for you, Kieran Duffy.
Where are you taking me?
Somewhere you ain't gonna like.
Why? What are you gonna do to me?
Something you ain't gonna like.
So I'd advise you to save your breath for screaming.
No, please!
Kita off-road ya guys ya. Nggak tahu, pengen aja.
I'm begging you.
Alright, boy.
Come on boy, kanan boy. Oke, nice.
You better shut your mouth, you little shit, or I will shut it for you. Good.
Nggak bisa stuck. Nah, oke. Ya, udah gelap, guys.
Have a heart, mister!
I do have a
Tell me
heart.
nothing, I swear! Oh, I think I'm gonna puke.
Are you trying to test me? Is that it? Because I will
Is
break
that
every
it,
bone in your
Kieran
body.
Duffy?
I'm sorry. Okay?
Not one more goddamn word. Am I clear?
Okay.
That's 2 bones right there.
Oops.
Yeah, that's it, boy.
Hey, that's it, boy. That's it, boy. Sampai tuh gitu caranya motong jalan, Kieran. Kamu udah pernah tahu belum?
Boy. Good boy.
Good boy.
Here we are, you sack of shit.
Ambil tuh.
Let's introduce you to the boys.
Don't hurt me, please.
I ain't gonna hurt
don't
you.
worry. They're real nice.
You found a little shit, did you?
Yeah. I got him.
Very good. Welcome to your new home. Hope you're real happy here.
You want me to make him talk?
Oh, no, now all we'll get is lies. Uncle, Mr. Williamson, tie this maggot up someplace safe. We get him hungry first. I got a saying, my friend.
We shoot fellers as need shooting. We save fellers as need saving. And feed 'em as need feeding.
We are gonna find out what you need. I can't
Des, I think
believe
I
it.
need something from you, though.
An O'Driscoll in my camp.
I ain't an O'Driscoll, mister! I hate that fella!
Oh, whatever you say, son. Well done, Arthur.
I'm just sorry we missed out on Colm.
Oh, there's time enough for that. Now, I gotta figure out if we can hit that train.
Okay.
We're gonna hitting a train. We gotta be hitting a train. Gotta hit the train. Bam, bam, gotta hit the train. A few days later.
It's been a bad few weeks. But Dutch being Dutch, he is busy making plans, and Dutch being Dutch, those plans involve robbery and dreams. Well, I
Who
thought
the
you was
hell
reading
is
him his last
Leviticus
rites.
Cornwall?
Now I see you're introducing him to your other passion.
I'll mind you to show me some respect, Mr. Morgan.
Mind away, Reverend. You still here then?
I owe you.
Yeah. And you'll pay me. But for the moment, just rest.
Arthur, I think it's time for the train.
Want me to come?
Of course I do, but look at you.
I was always ugly, Dutch. It's just a scratch.
Don't lie still, son. Hello, Abigail.
Dutch,
Jackie.
Abigail, Jack.
the boy wanted to see you, John.
You see me now. Or what's left of me. What about you?
Guess I was hoping to see a corpse.
Bide your time. You'll see plenty of them.
You're a rotten man, John Marston.
He is an idiot, Abigail. We all know it. Now, railway men. Bill, now you ride ahead and set the charge at the water tower just before the tunnel.
Ain't a problem. Why are we doing this? Weather's breaking. We could leave. I thought we was lying low.
Yeah, come on. What do you want from me, Hosea?
I just don't want any more folks to die, Dutch.
We're living, Hosea. We're living. Look at me.
Not for
We're
long,
living.
though.
Even you. But we need money. Everything we has in Blackwater. You fancy heading back there?
No. Listen, Dutch, I ain't trying to undermine you. I just want to stick to the plan, which was to lie low, then head back out west. Now, suddenly we're about to rob a train.
What choice have we got?
Leviticus Cornwall's no joke, Dutch.
Who is Leviticus Cornwall?
He's a big railway magnate, sugar dealer, oil man.
Well, how good for him. Sounds like he has more than enough to share.
Dutch!
Gentlemen, it is time to make something of ourselves. Get your horses ready. We have a train to rob.
Let's go.
Everyone ready? All right, let's
I don't know if
head
you can
out.
hear it though. Aku mau sama Dutch. Minggir, semuanya minggir.
Okay, gentlemen, listen up, all of you. According to the information so kindly
Otomatis
provided
aja
to
lah.
us by the O'Driscolls, the train will be coming north from Big Valley. We're gonna pick it off after it crosses the border into the Grizzlies. There's a raised spot there that should give us good vantage. Charles, you'll keep lookout for any outriders. How's that hand, by the way?
I'll be fine.
Good. I'll take the driver and engineer, then run point. Lenny and Javier, you two take the front cars, deal with any guards. Arthur and Micah, you head straight for the back. That's what we're after. Mr. Cornwall's private car.
You and me, Morgan.
Great.
Have you got a problem with that?
Not if you keep your head for once.
You worry about yourself, huh?
Enough! After Bill blows the tracks, we're gonna need to move fast. Is everyone clear on what they're doing?
Yep.
Crystal.
Yes, boss.
Good. Now come on.
Let's go.
Let's ride.
Kenapa Arthur lu nggak pakai topi ya? Jelek nih Arthur nggak pakai topi sendiri. Maksudnya Arthurnya sih cakep, cuma lagi bareng-bareng gini jelek jadinya. Let's go.
Out of the snow, finally.
Belum ada buat anu topi.
Feels good,
Habis ini
doesn't
kayaknya.
it? But we need to get this done fast. Now it's thawing
Bam.
before anyone gets up here
Lagi
after
lagi.
us.
Bam.
Oh, look at you boys.
Bam.
See? This is what I call a crew. Micah Bell, Charles Smith, Arthur Morgan, Javier Escobar.
Oh,
Micah Bell.
jangan diulang dari
Charles
awal.
Smith,
Iya.
Arthur Morgan.
Aku nggak mau ngelihat
Javier
Micah.
Escuela,
Mau
and
ngeliatnya
what
Dutch
about
aja.
young Lenny here? Always the first
Oops.
man on his horse.
Oh, damn. Sorry Javier.
What were you jawing about before?
Just happy we're back at 'em, Dutch.
You sure you're ready for this, kid?
course I'm
Dutch.
ready.
Just stay
Oh kalau
calm.
aku lagi
Keep
fokus
your
tuh
eyes
nggak bisa
sharp.
ngontrol
That goes
kudanya.
for all of you. No,
No,
no mistake, idiot.
no mistake idiot.
No mistakes. Not again.
Dutch kudaku
So
mau
we do
ngobrol.
this, then we go back to Blackwater to collect.
Dutch kudaku mau ngobrol.
How many times you gonna ask the same question, Micah?
That's a lot of damn money to leave
Ini
sitting
puyeng
for
nggak
too
ya?
long.
It would be
Jangan
crazy to
jatuh.
go back there now. The place will be swarming with Pinkertons.
Tuh kudaku mau
There's
sama
the
kamu
water
Dutch.
tower. Hold up here on the ridge.
Ya. Oke.
Is Bill there?
Yeah.
You want to head down, see how he's getting on?
Okay.
Say less. Ayo. Soalnya kalau selama epilog, kok epilog sih jadi selama tutorial kan kudanya nggak mungkin mati. Biar cepet aja. Hola, Bill. ¿Cómo está?
How you getting on?
Monggo aru.
I'm okay. You sure?
Of course.
Can I help a little?
All right.
Oke.
Go ahead and set up the detonator by those rocks over there.
Okay, sure.
Now just unspool the wire and then attach it to said detonator.
Oke, chill. Chill, Bill. Bill, jangan lanjut. Nggak tahu jadi kepikiran itu. Berhenti, jangan lanjut. Oh my god. Oke, sudah di sini. Kita potong. Snip, snip. Snip, 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 snip.
Okay, this is good.
All right. That should do it. You head back up to the others. I got it from here.
Oke. Hati-hati, jangan sampai celaka. I didn't know. We can do that? We can do that? What the fuck? I didn't know that. What? Aku cuma pengen nembak.
That should do it.
Aku cuma
You
pengen
head back
nembak
up to the others. I got it from
di
here.
sini. Yaudah, gimana kalau gini? Gini. Aku dapetin Bill. Di sini nih. Oke lah, paling deket bisanya di sini. Terus kita gini. Bam. Ya, selamat. Quote cantik banget BTW. Mengkilap. Iya ya elah, sabar nape. Bacot kau, Maika.
Be ready to move quick and remember the plan. All of you.
Topiku
No
kemana
mistakes.
hilang?
What's
Nanti
going
topinya
on?
hilang
He
juga sih
says all
sebenarnya.
fine.
We'll soon find out.
Everything okay?
I guess.
I think so.
Okay, cover your faces. Train should be
Nah ini
here
kan harusnya udah nggak ada lagi, sial.
any minute now.
Aku nggak pakai topi, ya udahlah.
Gentlemen, it's time.
That is loud. Inilah kenapa
Good luck.
saya mengecilkan
All of you.
suara gamenya ya,
You all
kawan-kawan.
know what to do.
Kadang suara gua kegedean, kadang sama kalau kayak gini. Jadi mending dikecilin aja. Dan gue yang menyesuaikan suaranya. Ya, nggak jadi. Ya. Harusnya tadi, gitu ya.
You said it was fine.
Come on!
Oh, you know what? I'm kind of glad that we don't have our hat agak kelihatan ekspresi mukanya Arthur. Duluan. Wih. Oh. You know what? Never mind. Ternyata udah di belakang. Pendek banget keretanya. Gue kira panjang. Oh, oke. Aku nggak mau nindihin Javier. Ayo guys, semangat guys. Aku ke kiri. Nah. Lenny.
Oh shit!
Lenny.
Hey, down here! I got you.
Yeah.
Now stop yelling. Arthur, help! Yeah, you're okay.
Let's go.
Now, let's
Come
go
on,
slow this
come on.
thing down.
Come on.
Javier? He fell. The others will get him.
Let's go.
Come on, we need to stop this train.
Mana sih? Mana anjir? Hei. Demi apa lu nggak sadar dari tadi ada gua? Oh.
Who's got a shot on them?
Me. I got a shot on you. Mampus.
You alright? Yeah, I'm good. You don't rob a Leviticus cornball train! How you doing there?
Lompat ke barrel.
I'm okay.
Ya nggak bisa.
If we don't stop this train soon,
Gimana ya? Nggak bisa. Tur, jangan jatuh tuh.
I know, just stay calm.
Bisa ke sini nggak? Nggak bisa lagi. Nyangkut. Oh my god. Mampus. Aman udah. Oh ya udah. Let's go. Let's go.
Look out! Got more coming off the train.
Mampus. Iya lo enak banget pakai auto aim, sumpah auto aim. I love you so much. Aku kangen pakai auto aim. Yo, ada di atas.
We need the car at the back, right? Yep. Keep pushing on.
Oke, reload. Mampus.
Still okay? I think so. Good.
Oh, ada kamu ternyata. Nggak lihat aku.
Doing good. Where the hell are the others? I don't know. Damn it. Oh, that was all of them.
Naik.
We're gonna get out of
Oh my god.
Oh, I know we are.
Ngagetin aja. Ow. Ya, nggak gold. That was brutal, Arthur. Astagfirullah. Remedy. Oke. Makan tur. Look at them.
Good shooting, kid. I can see now why the O'Driscolls brought so many boys up here.
Ya. Makan dulu.
Arthur, get over here.
Entar dulu, Arthur, gue lapar. Butuh makan, Dutch. Kind of.
Yes, let's get the money and go.
We got some fellas holed up in this last car.
Ah, shit.
What
shit
are you
indeed.
boys planning on
Halo.
doing in there?
Assalamualaikum.
Listen to me. We don't want to kill any of you.
Any more of you.
I give you my word, but trust me, we will.
I work for Leviticus
Come
Cornwall.
on, boys.
We got our orders.
Okay, you asked for it.
We ain't
Fine.
opening this door.
4, 3, 2, 1. Hey.
Seems our friends have gone deaf. Wake them up a little.
Nggak mau. Kalian aja. Ngapain ngabisin ammo? My god, tolol banget kayak.
Mr. Williamson, give Mr. Morgan and Mr. Smith some dynamite. You two boys go blow that door open.
Let's go.
Now, don't matter too much to us, but you boys in there.
Seems
Awas,
good
Charles.
enough.
Awas,
Now
Les.
light the fuse.
Awas, minggir. Ya, 1, 2, 3. Keluar. Bisa aku tembak nggak ini? Oh, bisa. Oke.
We don't want to kill you. We just want to rob your boss.
Apa sih Maika bacot
Get
kau?
on up there. Search that train.
Mau lihat POV. Bentar, mau lihat POV ya nggak bisa. Dutch. Ya udahlah, maaf ya. Masuk.
Look at this place. It's like a palace.
Now I've seen everything. Oh, you two got the safe? I'll search the rest.
Oh, yes. Should be easy as
Yang penting
cake.
tuh ini lumayan fine brandy, ya
You're just
kan?
gonna stand there, kid.
Terus
Pour me some
ada
brandy, will
ini.
ya? I'm parched.
Bukan sigar, platinum pocket watch.
Yeah, kid did
Terus
good.
ada uang di
Didn't see you
sini.
rushing to jump on that
Fine
train.
brandy dulu.
I'll give you
Terus
that.
ada uang di sini apa ya kalau nggak salah ya?
Okay, let's see if we can get this open.
Bill stacks. Let's go.
Come on.
Berapa tuh? 25. Mantap.
Getting there.
Udah sih paling itu doang.
There. See? That's how it's done. Shit. Just a pile of papers.
Bonds?
I don't think so. Here. Make yourself
Udah
useful. At least
selesai.
we all know you can read.
Give me those.
Udah ayo.
Got him.
Nice.
Well, thank God. Come on.
What did you find?
These bonds. They worth anything?
Oh, sure. Bearer bonds. I think we can probably sell these pretty easily. Well done. Now, would you get rid of all of this?
The train?
Yeah, get it out of here.
What about them?
What do you think?
I don't know.
It's up to you. Kill them, leave them here, take them with you on the train.
Just make sure they don't send no folk after us.
Okay.
See you back at camp. When you get back, we'll be moving on. The rest of you, let's ride.
You know what? I'm not gonna bother. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Naik. Jalan. Bip bip. Riwit. Okay, and that's it, I guess. Chapter 1 Shuryo selesai. Wari desu. Nah, tiba-tiba Gunnya hilang.
We're gonna try.
Terus tiba-tiba
Weather
ada topi.
seems stable.
And we just robbed the Leviticus Cornwall train.
We got money in our pockets. The worst is behind us, gentlemen. So the question is, where now?
I know this country a little. I told you, we should set up camp in Horseshoe Overlook near Valentine. We'll be able to hide out there no problem, as long as we keep our noses clean.
Well, then let's go. Clean noses and everything else. Arthur, you're in that one. Bring Hosea. I know you two like to talk about the good old days and what's gone wrong with old Dutch.
I love this music, man. Lagu ini tuh, ini lagu skripsian gue. Oh my god. Nikmat banget.
Get over here.
Yes, boss.
You two ride up ahead, make sure
Ini kita
there's
bisa
no
ngelihat kayak lagi di mana gitu nggak
surprises.
sih?
Had
Oh
enough
nggak
of
bisa,
those.
oke.
Me with the boy?
Just go.
Come on, kid.
Tahu lu
You
bacot
can
mulu
buy
sih.
me a whiskey.
Nah, ini tuh di. Oh nggak tahu. Oh nggak tahu deh. Oh ya. Oh ini daerah situ, oke deh. Nah kalau ini kan emang tahu sih aku kalau ini di sini. Lokasi di mapnya maksudnya. Mampus Molly ditaruhnya sama Uncle ya. Kagak sama Dutch. Oh, lu sih tidak bisa memuaskan Dutch ini, gantian sama gue. Hehe.
Gotta keep us moving, but calm.
Iya. Ya, copot.
Okay, let's take a look.
You all right back there? Does everything look all right?
Well, what's going on?
I broke the goddamn wheel.
All right, let's get it fixed.
You need help?
I reckon we can handle it. All right, Charles, you and me hold the thing up while you try and put the wheel back on.
Let's go.
Still strong enough to hold up a wagon?
Shut
Let's
up.
go, Chris Redfield.
Don't say less. Pick the wheel up.
With the power of Chris Redfield. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bam. Bam.
Nearly
Bam. Oke, selesai.
See? You ain't so useless after all.
Not quite.
Berarti di saat ini tuh mereka masih yang di sini nggak sih? Di daerah-daerah
What do you think?
Selatan itu loh,
If they wanted trouble,
yang
we
ada
wouldn't have seen
bekas camp.
Poor bastards. We really screwed them over down here. Come on, let's not push our luck.
What happened?
Well, get in. I'll tell you.
Get in.
Not too far now. Stay on this trail.
Baik.
We'll
Let's
follow
go.
the river, then cut left inland.
Yeah.
So, yes, the Indians in these parts got sold a very raw deal. This is the heartlands we're going to. Good farming and grazing country, they lost it all. Stolen clean away from them it was, every blade of grass. Killed or herded up to the reservations in the middle of nowhere.
And how's that different from anywhere else?
Well, maybe it's not. I just heard some of the army out here was particularly unpleasant about it.
Unpleasant. Quote
How
unquote
do you rob and
unpleasant.
kill people pleasantly? We don't, in spite of Dutch's talk.
I fear I was perhaps trying to simplify something more complicated for the benefit of
Ah,
our block-headed
ya,
driver
rusak.
here.
Hey, don't blame it on me.
Lagi.
Never
Ya,
forget. This here's a con
ya.
man, Charles.
Awas
Born and
kejedot,
bred.
Charles.
Just 'cause it sounds fancy don't mean he knows a damn thing about what he's talking about. Yeah. So, what happened to your tribe?
I don't even know if I have one. At least, not that I can remember. My father was a colored man. He told me he lived with our people for a while. A number of
Apa tuh
free men did.
woodpecker?
When we were forced to move from our lands, the three of us
Kalau
fled.
nggak woodpecker, sparrow paling.
I was too young to really remember much. My whole life I've been on the run.
You are now hot.
A couple
Oh, I'm
years later,
always
some
hot,
soldiers
baby.
captured my mother. Took her somewhere. We never saw her again. We drifted around. He was a very sad man, and the drink had a mean hold on him. Around 13, I just took off on my own.
That was about the age we found young Arthur here. Maybe a little older. A wilder delinquent you never did see. But he learned fast.
Maybe you learn fast.
Not as fast
Hell
as
yeah, I
Marston,
am.
apparently.
Wait, I don't understand. What's the problem between you two?
Arthur?
Kalau lewat sini gimana? Biar seru.
Yeah, we
Yeay.
still heading the right way?
That depends.
That's a really
Are we
weird thing
still
to
heading
ask,
west
Arthur.
in search of fortune and repose in virgin forests as we planned?
No.
Get on the road.
Iya, maaf.
Are we heading in the correct direction on our desperate escape from the law eastwards down the mountains? Yes, I believe so.
You know this area?
A little. I've been through a couple of times. There's a livestock town not too far from here called Valentine. Cowboys, outlaws, working girls, our kind of
Blue
place.
Jay itu jangan-jangan. Ya.
Probably them
Gue
too.
akhirnya merasakan trauma karena Blue
Let's
Jay ya.
hope not.
And this place we're
Akhirnya tau.
going. Wait, what's it called again?
Horseshoe Overlook.
It's a
I'm
good
sorry
place
about
to lie low.
No
Sumpah ya,
different now.
kalau lewat kiri tuh muter.
And how low do you think Dutch is really
Gamenya
going to
tuh
lie?
pengen kita muter nih. Kan ini muter ke sini ya. Ini tuh lebih dekat kalau ke sini. Nih, kita lurus aja.
It's just, you know, maybe it's me who's changed, not him, but we kept telling him that ferry job didn't feel right. You and me had a real lead in Blackwater that could have worked out.
Maybe.
It just isn't like Dutch to lose his head like that.
Things go
guess.
wrong sometimes. People die. It's the way it is. Always has been.
Real.
Me, you, Dutch. We've all been in this line of work a long time. And we're still here, so I figure we must have got it right a hell of a lot more than we got it
Tuh,
wrong.
burung apa tuh? Sparrow kali, nggak tahu. Oriole. That looks like Oriole, nggak tahu sih.
What are you working on there, anyway?
Just some yarrow and
Javier, hey
ginseng.
Javier di depan tuh.
Good for the health. Better than that stuff you buy in the store. Yeah,
Ayo Javier,
you can have all this.
naik pi, naik pi.
I'm at the point where I can do it with my eyes closed.
Naik pi, naik pi,
Okay, thank you.
naik pi. Oke.
Okay, let's go.
Oke, let's go. Oops. Oops, what the fuck was that? Tadi apaan, Pi? Compendium
Any trouble getting in
updated.
here, Javier?
Nope. It went well. This is a good
Eh,
spot.
tuh.
Excellent.
Apa yang merah tuh?
I think this'll
Kardinal,
work for us,
kardinal.
Arthur. For now, anyway. Here we are, gentlemen.
Yeay, home sweet home. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Udah, Papi.
You weren't wrong, Hosea. This place is perfect.
I hope so.
Gentlemen,
We have survived.
For now.
now it is time to prosper.
Aku tahu orang-orang pada nggak
Arthur
suka
and I
itu,
were about
tapi
to
I think that's
prosper in
kind of hot
Blackwater.
though, the way he
We're onto something
shoots
big.
everyone.
Then Micah got you all excited about that ferry, and here we are.
We have all made mistakes over the years, Hosea. Every last one of us.
Emang lu nggak gitu?
But I kept us
Maksudnya
together. Kept us alive.
Yo.
Kept the nooses off our neck.
bawaannya gitu mulu.
I guess I'm just worried.
Aku
I
yang
ain't got
nyelamatin
that long,
kalian,
Dutch. I
kayak
want folks
presiden
safe
bae lu.
before I go. Me too. And now we are stuck east of the Grizzlies and out of
Tapi
money.
cocok ya, Dutch jadi
A long
presiden.
way from our dream of
Sesuai
virgin
soalnya.
land in the west.
I know, my brother.
Oh my God,
but
he
we
looks so
are
hot.
safe. We
I
make a
miss
bit of
him
money
so
here.
much.
Then we
I
move
miss my
again, head out around them,
Dutch.
be west of Uncle Sam. In a few months, buy some land.
I hope so.
You know so.
Would you just look around you? This world has its consolations.
This world has its consolation. What does
I'm
that even
going to
mean?
head into the local town and, see if I can strike up a little business.
Of course, Herr Strauss.
He looks
Up for
ugly as
robbing
always
banks
though.
to usury.
Hair Strauss, I mean.
Seems more
Kalau Dutch mah cakep banget.
dignified somehow. Now, everyone, put your tools down for a moment. Come on, gather round. Quickly now. I know that things have been tough, but we are safe now.
Insya Allah,
And we are
amin.
far too poor. So it is time for everyone to get to work.
Get to work, but stay out of trouble. Remember, we are itinerant workers.
Laid off when they shut down our factory to the north. Now get out there and see what you can find. Uncle, Reverend Swanson, no more passengers. It is time for everyone to earn their keep.
There is a town a little way down the track named Valentine. Livestock town, all mud and morons, if I remember right. That seems a decent place to start.
And, we need food. Real food. That means every day. One of you.
And remember, whatever it is that you find, camp gets its slice.
You can get a bit of my slice later,
Be
Dutch.
sensible out
Oke, maaf. Maaf.
The girls have your
Nggak
tent ready,
sengaja,
Mr.
nggak
Morgan.
sengaja.
Come with me. You two will be ready shortly. We put you over here.
Thank you, Miss Grimshaw.
Sure, everything will be fine, Miss Grimshaw.
It should be. Most of your stuff from Blackwater got saved.
Everything apart from my money.
Oh, don't
Money.
remind me.
Well, we can always make more money.
We're gonna have to. Miss Jackson, I've seen shit with more common sense than you. Do it properly.
Sleep, shaves, change clothes, or store weapon in the weapon locker at your tent, mungkin? Chapter 2. Horseshoe Overlook, everyone. Itu tadi chapter 1, entah udah berapa kali gue nyelesain chapter 1, udah berkali-kali banget, kayaknya 10 ada deh, karena kan ini game kelima gue. Terus gue udah berkali-kali kayak play ulang gitu, jadi 10 kali ada kayaknya.
Got
Harusnya
off
ada
the
sih.
mountain, rode east into some pretty enough country called the Heartlands. Ain't been this far east in many a year. Dutch seems a little better. His eyes are sparkling.
I'm gonna
once
shave
more.
your jenggot
I
later
can see
after.
he's thinking a little clearer. I think we all feel a little happier. Despite of Blackwater and that whole mess.
What a mess. What a mess indeed, Arthur.
Arthur?
Hosea?
Jose,
I miss you, Hosea.
Quite a day.
let's hope so.
There's a bunch of the boys already in Valentine. Bill, Charles, and Javier. And Swanson found something down at the train station by the lake, apparently.
Harusnya dia nemu
And
apa ya?
Strauss came
Found
back with
something
that
tuh.
creepy little smile on
Somethingnya
his
something
face.
apa?
I'm sure there's a whole list of unfortunates he's forced money upon.
Thank you.
Thank you, Hosea.
You?
I'm gonna read a book.
Sure. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's it. Kita sudah chapter 2. Mungkin untuk
Oh
my
Arthur,
god,
my boy.
this man.
My dear boy.
I love him
What's
though.
going on?
Hi, Dad.
Nothing at all.
Mhm.
For the first time in weeks, nothing. We're free
Bilang apa, Dad? Alhamdulillah.
to plan our own futures once more.
I hope so, Dutch.
You kept the faith, Arthur. You always kept it.
Kiss me.
And I ain't losing it now.
Kiss me. Okay, you know what? That's it. Thank you.